I'm Laiela. I'm the student of Ezair Commercia from grade 9th.
Okay, but starting with mathematics. In mathematics, you have learned about real number or rational number? Rational numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is rational number?
Rational numbers are those numbers which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and where q is not equal to 0 and p and q are also co-prime.
Okay, can we say p upon p is a rational number?
No, we cannot say that because it does not satisfy the property of rational number. To be a rational number, it should be a p is not equal to 0 and a q is not equal to 0 and p and q are integers. It will be not.
Okay, what is terminating decimal?
Terminating decimals are those numbers with finite number of digits and numerator is equal to 0.
Okay, what is polynomial?
Polynomial is basically an algebraic expression that consists of variable, constants and terms and etc.
You mentioned algebraic expression. What is that, algebraic expression?
It's basically the combination of terms.
And what is term?
Term can be, it's a multiplication of constants or variables.
And what is variable?
Anything which we discuss.
Okay. Now, there are types of polynomials. So, we divide on the basis of
Degrees.
and on the basis of terms. So, on the basis of degree, would you mention some types?
Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. With degree 1, it is linear polynomial and the number with degree 2 is quadratic polynomial and with degree 3, it's cubic polynomial.
Can we say 8? 8 is a polynomial?
Yes, sir. It is 0 polynomial. 8 raised power 0, that is anything raised power 0 is 1.
It is in the form of 8 x raised to power 0.
Yes, sir.
That's x raised to
Power
power 0.
0, that's equal to 1.
Equal to 1. 8 into 1, that's equal
1,
to
8.
So let's come to physics. You have already studied chapter motion. Tell me, what is motion?
Motion is basically changing of position of an object with progressing time and with reference point.
So can we say motion is a relative concept or an absolute?
It's a relative concept
Why is it an relative?
because we can only compute it at one time with any reference point.
So what is distance?
Distance is basically actual path covered by the body. The SI unit of distance is meter and it was discovered by Hipparchus. It was derived from the Latin word distantia and distance can never be negative.
What is acceleration?
Acceleration is basically rate of change of velocity and acceleration can be positive, negative or 0. When acceleration can be positive if the velocity keeps on increasing with time, and it can be negative when velocity keeps on decreasing in opposite direction to the force. It can be 0 when it is uniform velocity.
So tell me what our body can act. Can it act as a speedometer or an accelerometer?
No, it basically acts as accelerometer because when we are in bus, we think that we are in rest. But when uniform velocity, the bus is walking. But when the bus is not in uniform velocity, and when it applies brakes, we feel some movement. That means we are feeling acceleration in that. So it's accelerometer.
So can you tell me what are equations of motion?
Equations of motion. First equation of motion is v equals to u plus at. Second equation is s equals to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Third equation is v square minus u square equals to 2as.
Okay, thank you.